If you've got any Bluetooth device and you'd like to connect it to your system on Windows, I'm going to show you exactly how to go through it on Windows 11, and the steps are pretty much the same on Windows 10. So let's get into it. So we're in the desktop here, and you need to really follow these steps closely because it's so complex. We're going to go down to the bottom of the screen. On the right hand side, you'll see our taskbar here, and you can see that there are a few icons, and we're going to click on these icons, and you can see that there is a Bluetooth option. Okay, now if this is not highlighted in blue or whatever your system color is, it means it's off. So you can click on the actual Bluetooth icon and it'll turn it on. Now, if you go to the right, there's the arrow. You're going to click on that, and here you will see all of the items that your device can connect to. So you can see just underneath this sound sweeper, it's connected with a mic and audio. So that is connected. It's showing me that that is the connected device. Now, let's say you don't have those options. You're going to go into your search icon over here, and you are going to type in Bluetooth. So once you type it in, you can see here it says Bluetooth and other device settings. We're going to go into that, and from this menu, you can see at the top we have Bluetooth, and so underneath it says Bluetooth is turned off. So you can go over to the right hand side and you can activate it on or off, and then you can add devices straight from here. Now, if this was a helpful guide, drop us a like, and we'll see you next time, people. Peace out.